Hey guys, welcome back to 10x Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what it will take for crypto to rally back to all-time highs. We'll also discuss whether this current rally is a bull trap or if it's just the beginning of a bullish reversal. Before we get into the details, I want to give a quick shout out to Gate.io for sponsoring this video. Guys, if you use my referral link down in the description below to sign up to Gate.io and make a trade, then you and I both will receive a 20% commission. So that's $100 free money on a $500 deposit. By now, you should know that the stock market acts as a leading indicator for crypto. Crypto these days behaves a lot like the stock market. This trend started ever since big hedge funds started buying crypto. These hedge funds and investment firms view crypto just like they view tech stocks, which means that we need to pay a little more attention to the macroeconomic conditions because these are the metrics that financial analysts pay attention to when deciding what asset class is overvalued and what's undervalued. Since crypto is now widely viewed as an asset class, the same macroeconomic conditions and metrics impact and dictate the performance of our crypto assets. Potentially, we are in a dangerous territory for long-term investors. Being proactive and having access to proper research is absolutely essential during these uncertain times. There are a number of factors that are responsible for the recent crypto and stock market crash, but these are the main ones that I'm monitoring. Extremely stubborn high inflation in the US and globally, a Fed that is determined to restore price stability at any cost via tightening, China's zero COVID policy impact on supply chains that's now exporting inflation where it used to previously export deflation, unrelenting escalation in the Russia-Ukraine crisis. I believe that once any of these four issues begin to improve, the crypto market will see a big bounce back which will restore crypto investor sentiment. Having said that, there are a few things which I'm actively paying attention to. For example, what happens if these four issues don't improve? What happens if only one of these issues improves? Will a rally based on just one improvement be sustainable? The crypto market has done so much structural damage to portfolios globally, especially Luna, that a certain segment of the investor population cannot afford to wait for the whole rebound to play out. The market sell-off has created new friction in the market. People who are turning themselves from investors into traders by trying to time market rallies. People are now trying to take advantage of a rebound via highly leveraged financial instruments. And there are also people who are ready to sell their holdings upon the next market recovery. You might feel that you fall into one of these segments, but it is important to remember that market sell-offs and rallies and the impact this has on global portfolios will have a huge impact on investor psychology. Never forget that price often drives investor sentiment, especially in retail traders. Investors feel like they have everything figured out when their portfolios are skyrocketing off to all-time new highs. But the same investors can also become toxic and bitter when their portfolios wipe out their hard-earned savings. This is the reason why we cannot expect the crypto market to make an easy straight-line rally back to all-time highs without at least 2 to 3 of the 4 issues I outlined earlier getting some sort of a resolution. The people who are using leverage to profit from short rallies will cause severe bear market rallies, while the people waiting to get out will serve as the market's forces of selling at resistance. Guys, this is a market where long-term forecasts based on historical events are unlikely to work. It is time to proactively assess the situation with more updated analysis. If you want to understand the market's next steps but you're too busy to do it yourself, then consider joining my Patreon for regular updates on the direction of the market and what things to look out for. Even though we've had this recent rally today, we are absolutely not out of the woods yet. I'm 10x Crypto and I'm out.